Hi all of you. In this class I will discuss question number 1 and question number 2 from exercise 1.2. Now first question from exercise 1.2. The question is, write down a pair of integers whose sum is -7. Number A. First I will discuss first one. Sum is -7. Here sum means plus. We know that we have to find out two integers. By two integers adding we will get -7. Then either both the integers are negative, because in the answer there is negative sign. Suppose we can take -5 and -2. Then if we will add these two negative integers, then we will get -7. Here the pair is -5 and -2. Okay. Another one integer is negative and other one is positive. One integer is negative. Which one will be negative integer? That number will be greater than the other, because I remind you, in the answer there is negative sign. That's why bigger one number, that will be with negative sign. That means -9 plus 2. Then -7 will get. Here the pair is -9 and 2. Now the next part is difference is -10. What is the meaning of difference? That is minus sign. Then I have written this one with blanks, minus this one blank, equal to -10. Answer will be -10. Here also in the answer there is negative sign. If both integers are positive, let's see what will be that. Both integers positive, that means we can take any positive integers. By these positive integers we will get this -10. How? Here I have written 20 and 10. Okay, so 20 minus 10, basically we know that that is 10, but here the answer is -10. So we can't take this type of integers. So we have to change the position of the integers. 20 minus 10, that means 10. Here 10 will be in the first position and 20 will be in the second position, because we know that which one is the bigger number, before that number's sign will be in the answer. That means negative sign. 10 minus 20 equal to -10. So here the pair is 10 and 20, both are positive, but position will be this type of. Another one example. If both integers are negative, then in this case what will be? -30 and -20. So minus minus plus, we know that -30 plus 20, 30 is greater, that's why negative sign, and the numbers will be subtracted. So 10, so -10 we can get. Here the pair is -30 and -20, not only 20. -30 and -20. If one integer is negative and another one is positive, then what will be? One integer negative, I have taken -5, another one is positive, that is 5. So if bracket will be removed, then what will get? -5, -5. That means -10. Here the pair is -5 and 5. So here I discussed all the types. Whatever your choice, you can take the. Now third part of question number 1 I'll discuss. Here the pair of integer whose sum is 0, we have to find out. Pair of integer, that means one integer you can take either positive or negative integer, and other integer will be opposite of that integer. Here I have taken 4, one integer, and other integer will be -4. So 4 plus -4 equal to 0. Here the pair is 4 and -4. Another example you can take. Here I have written minus 9 and 9. As you wish, you can write another examples. Now question number 2. Number A. Write a pair of negative integers whose difference gives 8. Here, what will be the integer sign? That means negative or positive. This is restricted. That means negative integers you have to take. Both integers will be negative. Here I have written difference. Difference means minus. That means this blank minus blank equal to 8. Both integers will be negative. So I have taken here minus 1 and minus 9. Here minus minus plus. So 8 we can get. Now in your mind one question will be arise that if the position will be changed, then what will be happened? For this answer come in this side. If minus 9 I will write in first and minus 1 in the second position, then what will be happened? Minus 9 minus minus plus 1. Then here the difference will be 8 and which number is greater? 9 is greater. So before 9 negative sign is here. So negative sign minus 8, but the answer here will be 8. So this will be wrong. This will be wrong. Here the pair will be minus 1 and minus 9. Another example you can take this one. Minus 4 and minus 12. Minus 4 minus minus this is plus. Then 12. Then you will subtract 12 and 4 because both are different sign. Then 8. Then 12 is greater. So before 12 positive sign is here. So positive. So here the pair is minus 4 and minus 12. Okay. Now your choice. What you want to take, you can take. But you have to see properly. You have to calculate in the rough. Now number B of 2. Write a negative integer and a positive integer whose sum is minus 5. Here also integers signs are restricted. First one is negative integer, second one is positive integer. Then we have to get minus 5. So sum will be minus 5. Sum means addition. Here I have written this one blank, there will be negative sign plus positive integer equal to minus 5. So I have taken here negative integer 15, minus 15 and positive integer 10. Then if you will calculate it, then 15 is greater, that's why minus sign will be here and these numbers will be subtracted. That means 5. So answer will get, so here the pair is minus 15 and 10. Another one example, minus 6 and 1. Positive integer is 1, negative integer is minus 6. Here also pair is minus 6 and 1. If you will calculate it, then you will get minus 5. Now the solution of C under 2. Write a negative integer and a positive integer whose difference is minus 3. Now here the difference means subtraction. Here first one will be negative integer and positive integer. Second one, I have written negative integer in this place and this place positive integer, difference, and the answer will be minus 3. Now at first what we have to say, see, here is a negative sign in minus 3. So which number you will take for negative integers and positive integers, that numbers sum will be 3. That is I have shown here 2 plus 1 equal to 3. That means in negative integer minus 2 and in positive integer 1 I can put. Then I got here minus 3. Now the pair is minus 2 and 1. So negative integer is minus 2 and positive integer will be 1. So one thing you have to see here, that which two numbers you will take for negative integer and for positive integer, that numbers adding will be 3. That one.